Dr. Ulysses Jackson here in Bay Shore at Champ Lane Barbershop, Champ Lane Cuts. So what I was discussing earlier was family issues. Family issues being incarceration and substance use. When it comes to mental health, right, and substance use and incarceration, these are two like almost taboos that we don't want to talk about. You know, when you got a family member that's on drugs, we say it's like the pink elephant in the room. Don't say nothing about Uncle so-and-so. Don't say nothing about Aunt so-and-so. You know what I'm saying? Or shh. But what does that do to the kids? That's that sneaking and hiding behavior, which is what some stuff that we want to stop doing, right? And then we talk about incarceration. It's not just you that's locked up. If you got to get on that bus and you got to sign your name on that visiting list and you got to wait home for your loved ones to call you, guess who else is in there? You know what I'm saying? These are things that we need to talk about to discuss how we bring the family together. So when everybody's saying I'm at that bag, when you get hit with that 25, that 30, that 10 of life thing, you got to hold that. And remember, the family member's not with you with that. That's something you got to sit down and do. So don't get hit with that and start yelling, I love my kids and I miss them. So now check it. I've been through what I've been through. For those that know me, you could Google my name, Ulysses Jackson. It's a DIN number tied to that. You know what I'm saying? But it's been 30 years, you know what I'm saying? And my family, my kids are the most important things to me. And I show that every single day. I don't say, listen, you know what I'm saying? I didn't have no other way. Getting this education, I was broke. I'm talking about going on vacations and not having no money for lunch and dinner just to say I went. You know what I'm saying? It's what you're willing to do to get there. You know what I'm saying? So that taking that chance, that incarceration and getting them phone calls, think about that, man. And then we all gonna need some type of mental help with that. Because what happens is that now I'm struggling because of the family and my issues. So I got an issue with incarceration and ain't been locked up. I got another issue dealing with substance use, but you don't use, but you got a substance use issue because your family member got a substance use issue. I happen to be a certified New York State substance abuse counselor and a mental health counselor licensed with a PhD in the state of New York. Dr. Ulysses Jackson touching the iceberg of some of these family issues we deal with.